Solar Squad, what's cooking, guys? Joe Dickinson here with Solar Shark, and in this video I wanted to walk you through how to edit and optimize the voice agent that we've dropped into your Solar Shark account if you came in at the package that has the AI agents built in. And of course you can go build as many agents as you want inside of here. Voice agents, conversation agents, all of them are inside of here. Now, this one right here, Sunny, the voice agent that we've dropped in, it could be named something different. This is the agent that helps you guys get appointments booked. So like if someone calls you and you don't pick up the phone, because the way we have this set up, your phone will ring first with any inbound calls you get. And then if you don't pick up, your AI agent will pick up and then gather information, see what they're interested in, answer any questions they've got, and ultimately try and get them to book, either a follow-up call with you or an appointment, etc. But you can edit all of this stuff, which is really cool. So inside of here, and more than likely, if you're watching this video, you're probably a Solar Shark user already. So this is more of a tutorial video, but if you're not, hang with me and check this out. And if you don't have an account yet, go to solarshark.ai and grab yourself an account. You can go do that by just going here. It's the only platform you need to scale your solar business online. It's pretty cool. Generate leads, all the stuff. So check all that out. But anyways, here's the deal. So right out of the gate, the way we have this agent set up is if someone calls you, and I'm going to explain in just a second how that works, what you want to do to set this up. If someone calls you, the initial message is going to say, "Hi, thanks for calling," and then it's going to pull your company name. My name's Sunny. How can I assist you today? So for example, just to make this super clear, I'm going to click on New Call, and I'm going to click on Start Web Call. So listen to this real quick.
Hi, thank you for calling Joe's Solar Company. My name's Sunny. How can I assist you today?
So I'm going to end the call there. But basically, if I was like, "Hey, I'm trying to see how much solar would cost me," or "Hey, I'm trying to see, how much solar could save me," whatever, it's going to answer. Now, if you go into agent goals, we have a really big prompt that's built out inside of here that is not only all about solar right inside of here, but it also pulls just like, common questions people have about solar, etc. So all that's in here. Now, this company value, this is going to pull whatever it is that you've got inputted over. And if we go to settings and we go to custom values, if you haven't done this yet, go right over here, custom values. And right here, it says Joe's Solar Company. Whatever you have in here is what the agent's going to pull as your company name. So make sure that you edit this if you haven't yet. You also can just go back to AI agents, and anywhere that says Joe's Solar Company, you can just change to your company name too. It doesn't really matter, but that's how you would do all that. So you can come in here and you can edit the agent goals. The biggest thing is use this right out of the gate. Click on Start Web Call, test your agent, and if you're like, "Oh man, I don't want it to say this," or "I want it to feed this," that's where you're going to go into the agent goals, and you're going to further expand upon the prompting. But you can see that all of this stuff is inside of here. You can change the personality, you can change the voice. It's pretty cool. So you just got to play with it, basically. And if you got any questions, of course, reach out. Now, let me explain real quick what you want to do phone number wise. So here's the deal. The way most of you guys are probably going to want to set this up is you're going to have a phone number, and you can just go buy what I recommend you do. They're really, really cheap. But go buy a phone number and then hook it to your AI agent. Now, what you're going to probably want, and you don't need to do this, but more than likely what you're going to want is if someone calls this phone number right here. All right, so let's say you put this phone number on your website or on your business cards or whatever. I'd recommend putting this agent phone number here. That way, if someone calls the number and you don't pick up, say after, I think it's 5 rings we've set it, it will then forward that person to your AI agent, and your AI agent will pick up. So if you want to receive the calls first or get a first shot on that, of course, I would say do this. So what you'll do is you'll purchase the number. You'll pop it into here, because as soon as you purchase it, you can choose what number you want to have in here. Then if you go over into settings and you go to phone system, you're going to see the phone number is set up. Hold on, it'll pop right here. If you click on edit configuration, you basically can say, "Hey, listen, Solar Shark, this is what I want to have happen. If someone calls this number, first I want you to ring my phone number first." So you would put right underneath call forwarding, you'd put so leave nothing as first priority. Put your phone number, like your physical main line right here. And what'll happen is it'll ring this phone number up to 5 times. So you'll pop your phone number here. And if you don't pick up, it will then, and you select what AI agent you want to have be as the next priority, which is the 3rd priority. We've already done this inside of here underneath the agent goals. We set this phone number to this agent. So all this is saying is, like, if you don't pick up, have the agent pick up at that point. And right here, incoming call timeout, 20 seconds is the minimum you can do at the time shooting this video, by the way. So like if you try to do like, well, I want them to go to my agent after 10 seconds, you can't do that. It's got to ring about 4 to 5 times, and then it will go over to your AI agent. So hopefully that makes sense. The biggest thing is just come into here, You can adjust agent goals with prompting. You can test your agent here, and then you're good to go, and then that's your phone number. So if you have any questions on this, reach out to us. But this is how you customize your agent and how you set it where it will go ahead and call you first. And if you don't pick up, it will automatically have your agent pick up, and the agent will do the work for you. And if you're like, dude, I don't want any of the calls to go to me, you could also set that where the settings you don't have it go to your first phone number. The first priority is actually the voice AI agent picking up. So anyways, let us know if that makes sense. If you got any questions, reach out to us via support. And if you don't have a Solar Shark account yet, what are you doing? Go grab one. It's powerful. The package that gives this is the Scale AI package, the top level one you'll see when you go to click on packages or activate now, and you're good to go. All right, guys, see ya.